Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will show you how you can make YouTube intros very easily on your smartphone. So let's get started. Now to do that, you have to go to Play Store and search one app called Legend. Legend. Here, this is the logo. You can hope you can see. Focus. Yeah, can you see? Yeah, you have to install this on your mobile. I have already installed it, so let's open it. Now this is the screen. Now here you have to write something that you want as your intro. So let me write my channel name is Squad. So after doing that, press this play. Now here you get some of the animations that inbuilt. Now here you can select. Here you can select. I will select this one. You can see. After doing that, you have to set here landscape or square. This is for YouTube, so select landscape and 720p video. So this here you can see, you can change the colors also. I love this color, so I will not change the color. After doing that, if you want to share it on Messenger, you can share from here. I will not share. If you want to download, here download, save as video. So you can see that the video is saving. You can see. Okay, our video is saved. Now go to to see the video, go to my files or whatever you say, file manager. Go to file manager. Here you select videos. You can see here Legend is here. You can see this video. Let me show you. Now this does not give you sound, but you can do it by KineMaster or any video editor. But this is a simple way to make YouTube intro. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you want this kind of videos, and if you want to give any video suggestion, please comment down below. See you in the next video, guys.